Hi, welcome to the world of colors. I'm Colors. Today we're going to be making a little leprechaun gnome. He looks like this. He's not very big and he's got a great big hat. He's very easy to make, and if you're a first-time gnome maker, this would be a great project for you. So in a moment I'll be right back to tell you about the supplies you'll need. Now, before we get started, I wanted to tell you that last week I had a minor accident on my steps and I sprained my foot. So that's why I didn't do my video last week. And this week I'm doing a small video so that I can sit down while I'm doing it because I'm still recovering from that fall. So just to let you in on that. Now I wanted to tell you about the materials we're going to use today. We're going to use a little pot from St. Patrick's Day pots from the Dollar Tree, and the little coins, package of the coins. We need 2 of the rollers, 7-inch rollers that come in a package of 6 at the Dollar Tree. And we need a 3 by 4 inch orange beard. We need a package of these black socks that we're just going to use 1 of. So you'll be able to actually make 2 gnomes with that package. And then we're going to use the regular size hat from Dollar Tree, the St. Patrick's Day hat. And then 2 3/4 inch wooden knobs that I got from Amazon. They come 30 in a box, and you can see I'm down to my last 2. So I'll be ordering more of those. They come 30 in a box on Amazon, 3/4 inch today. And then we're going to be using the Coral Cove paint from Tester's Craft Paints, and this one is Desert Sand. We use the Desert Sand and the Coral Cove. They're Tester's Craft Paints made by Rust-Oleum. And then you can get a little package of these shamrocks, little thin little shamrocks at Dollar Tree. We'll be using 1 of those. And from Hobby Lobby, you can get these smooth foam balls. They look like this, and they're foam, and we're going to paint them. Use that for his nose today. And we're going to be using some flat marbles that I get from Amazon usually, and some firm hold hairspray for the beard, some glue sticks, our scissors, our glue gun, our polyester fiberfill, and that's about it. So in a moment I'll be back and we'll start the project. First thing we're going to do is take out our sock. Any black sock, men's sock will do, and I get these from the Dollar Tree. So you want to take your flat marbles and put them in the bottom. Get those all in there like that. And then you want to go ahead and take your polyester fiberfill and stuff your sock all the way up to the heel area. I'm just going to leave this top on here for now, and just stuff it all the way up to this heel area, just past the heel area, and I'll be right back with you. Got it stuffed up to the heel, and I measured how far it should be. If you measure from where you have the stuffing all the way down to the bottom, it's about 8 inches. And then where the heel is, we're gonna go ahead and tie that into a knot. Like that. Now I'm looking where the seam is on the front, where this front seam is for the sock. is where I'll use for the front of the gnome. And then we'll just cut this extra piece off right here. So what we want to do is go ahead and put our nose on the little styrofoam ball. We'll put that right on the center right here, a little bit farther down from the knot, right there. I want to lose my spot there. And I'll let that set up. So we've got that set up on there, the nose, and we're gonna go ahead and put the beard on. So take out your 4-inch tall by 3-inch wide beard and fold it in half like this. And cut a slit about 1 inch there, like that. And we'll take it up around the nose like that, and glue it in place. I'll hold that a minute. So I've got the beard glued right here at the top. And the next thing we want to do is take the hat's from Dollar Tree. And you just want to take it and put it over the knot like that. And glue it right at the top of the nose here. And then right at the top of the back, on the back. But don't glue the sides. So we'll start that right here. I'll let that set up and then I'll do the back. So I've got the hat secured, and now we're going to take the rollers, the green rollers, and we're going to put those in for the arms. And we're just going to tuck them up in the sides of the hat, like that. Just go ahead and tuck both of them up in there. Like that. And you just want to make sure they're in the right position for you. We're going to be putting the pot with the gold coins on this arm and the shamrock on this arm. So I've got them tucked up in there, and then I just want to take my glue gun and pump a couple of shots of glue on the tops of these arms here. Kind of like you're oiling the Tin Man. Just put it in there like that. We're going to let those set up. So the arms are all set up there. And what we want to do is take the 3/4 inch wooden knobs and glue those to the bottom of the arms. Now those are going to take a minute to set up. So the hands are glued on, and then I was working on spraying the beard with the firm holding hairspray, and then just taking your pick and picking out the mustache shape like that. That'll hold nicely with the hairspray on there. And then the next thing I wanted to do was to take the pot with the coins in there. I just glued these coins in there, and you just want to glue the pot to the arm like that. Just lay that in there like that. So we've got the pot glued on, and we want to glue the shamrock to the back of the other hand. So we'll just put a little glue on here. And let that set up on this side. Okay, so the last thing we want to do is to paint the nose and hands. So you take some of the Coral Cove acrylic craft paint, and you just want to paint everywhere that you can see on this nose here. You can do this before you glue them on. It's entirely up to you. Now I'll finish this up and be right back with you to do the sandstone part. So while the Coral Cove is a little bit damp, you can go over it with the sandstone and lighten it up a little bit. Just, it lightens it up a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. You can see the nose a little bit better against the orange beard. And highlight the hands a little bit. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like it, make sure to like, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe.